Good morning, witches. Welcome back to Pagan Pathways with Jessica. This is the hashtag Witchy Wisdoms Wednesday. It is a collaboration with me and 3 other pages, so make sure you check them out. I have a very special video for you, including my family. My 3-year-old granddaughter will be making her very own fairy garden for this video on the Fae. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Can you tell everybody what your name is?
Yes.
What's your name?
Tennessee Mara.
And who am I?
What? Mimi.
And what are we gonna do?
Make a flower garden.
A fairy garden.
Very
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You want to show everybody what you have? Okay, let's see. What is that?
It's a house.
Yeah. Who's it for?
Pink.
Who's it for?
It's for fairies.
It is. What else do you have? Ooh, that's so pretty. What else?
A bridge.
A bridge. Let's see. And everything came from the Dollar Tree, didn't it? So they have a lot of fairy garden stuff. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get started. I got a bridge and I got a house.
Okay, can you let Mommy help you do the dirt, Elena? Because we got to do the dirt first.
Okay.
Julian's cutting it open. She's cutting it open for you so you can put the dirt in there. Are you excited to make a fairy garden on Mimi's channel?
Yeah.
And show everybody how to do it?
Yeah.
Are you going to be shy?
No.
No.
Can I do it?
Go ahead, make it flat.
Making a fairy garden can attract the Fae. Elena, can you tell everybody how old you are? How old are you? You're 3. Good job. To help attract the Fae, use plants, ribbons, stones, crystals, and shiny objects.
So, I'm going to start placing stuff in there.
Okay. I'll do my house first.
Okay,
The Fae do not like dust, clutter, mess, cigarette smoke, arguing, loud noises, or violence. Scissors?
this.
I'll do this, Mommy.
You want that one right there?
Yeah.
Some workings you can do with the Fae include, but are not limited to, glamours, creativity, happiness, peace, and bliss. Now with that said, let's talk about when you're working with the Fae. You should definitely do research on the type of Fae you're working with, be respectful, give back to them, and understand that the Fae are not human-like. They just are who they are, and you should be very aware of who they are before working with them.
Can we do it?
Can we do what?
Can we put the fairies in it now?
You want to put the fairy
You
in it?
sure can. And then you have, don't forget your garden furniture, and then you can put in some of this or some of that or whatever you want, okay? Like my filming is crappy. Uh-oh. Did you drop it?
Okay, here we go, table. You want to put the table and stuff over here?
Yeah.
Ooh, is that pretty?
Put it right next to it. So, here's the other one. Put it on the other side right over. Ooh. Oh, God.
The Fae adore childlike personalities, and adding a fairy garden to a kid's room can be a great benefit for both the Fae and the child.
Where's my flower, you silly?
Where's what?
Where's my flower?
Where's your flower?
Right here.
Offerings to the Fae can include sweets, honey, and wine, but are not limited to just those items.
Don't forget these, Mommy.
I bought one. A fairy garden doesn't have to be expensive. Everything we use today, including the dirt, came from the Dollar Tree, so it's budget friendly. Elena, and in a second you can turn it around so Mimi can see your beautiful creation. Oh my, look at that. You did a fantastic job.
Can we do one more thing, Mom?
What else do you want to do?
I I can't see it.
See what? What are you looking for? Oh, her lights.
Oh, your lights. We got lights to put around it.
Yeah.
This is a great project even for kids as young as 3. It's so nice. Do you love it? Are you going to take it home and put it in your bedroom so you can look at it every day?
Yes.
Yes.
And then so everyone can see it.
And so the fairies come visit you? Yeah?
And see all of it. And then now it'll be so very good. Now
There was one out on the counter.
And now
Yeah, it's in that bag.
turn these lights off of it. Then I'm going to turn the lights, keep the lights on for 2 minutes. And then you turn them off and take this. Then she's going to our house.
Do you like playing with the fairies?
Yeah.
What is great about fairies, Elena?
They give you money.
Oh, yeah, the tooth fairy does, huh, Blaine? Elena, what's great about fairies?
1, 2, 3, 4.
They can fly.
That's another good one, huh? They fly.
Yeah, and an owl can fly.
An owl can fly?
Yeah.
Yes, an owl can fly. You're right.
But they have different houses, but that people don't have, like cactuses.
I forgot to do this, Mimi.
You did? Well, where are you going to put it?
Right behind the house.
Right beside the house?
Yeah.
Oh, man, that looks great. You're doing a good. Making a fairy garden with your child can help open a spiritual discussion about your path in a way they can understand and that's on their level. And if your child doesn't care for fairies, they do have gnomes, so you can still bring in that fae energy. Who's your favorite fairy? Where are your favorite fairies? Me, your mommy, and Aunt Jellybean? Yeah. Ooh, let's see. Mommy's gonna light it up. How pretty is that? You have a pretty, amazing fairy garden. So cute.
You even turn it on.
Yeah, you can turn it on and off. You can use it as a nightlight. So what do you think, Princess? Did you have a good time making a fairy garden? Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed our fairy garden tutorial and all our fairy information. We'll talk soon, witches.